right? It's not a good move, right? So what should you drink? There's two kinds of milk that are okay. One of them is macadamia milk, which is really expensive and you have to make it yourself because macadamias have the right kinds of oil in them. But the other one that's abundant and healthy is coconut milk. So if you're going to do it, use coconut milk.
That's the worst tasting one.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It is the worst tasting one.
Yeah.
But here's the problem though. If you say, okay, I don't like the taste of coconut milk, and I'm with you on that.
Yeah.
So I'm going
I don't drink any milks, but yes.
Yeah, that's really the key. You don't need to drink a plant milk. It's a made up product that you don't have a need for. But if you say I'm going to do one of these other things, you're spending a lot of money, you're getting anti-nutrients, you're getting mostly water, and you're usually getting a toxic burden. So like, why am I doing this again? The thing that milk has that's most important is it has protein. And the second most important is it has good fats. When you have a replacement milk, even coconut milk, there is no protein. So the coconut yogurt you like, it doesn't work because it doesn't have protein. So you have to take that and add whey protein or add scoops of maybe hemp protein if you're doing plant-based. But you've got to add a whole bunch of protein to it because normal yogurt has that. Most people tolerate grass-fed yogurt pretty well. I still don't. I can't touch cow's milk unless it's ghee for the most part, or I can do some butter. But if I was to have, 2 tablespoons of regular milk, it messes me up. My gut's wrong. It's just not right. So that's an immune response. So I just want to tell you, you're not getting protein in your plant milks and you're getting stuff you don't want in your plant milks.